Okay guys, welcome to Farmsy Tech, and today I'm going to be showing you how to improve the speed of your Android smartphone by reducing animations and background processes. First, we go to our settings. Depending on any device you have, then we'll search for developers option. But wait, before we search for developers option, if some you have to activate developers option before you can be able to search for developers option. So in the about phone section for any smartphone you use, just look for the, like, if it's this is my UI version, so you just tap on it. You have to tap or keep tapping on it. It will now start decreasing like a countdown. But I'm already a developer, so it's not showing me the countdown. So I'll search for developers option. See, no need, you're already a developer. It's showing me that I'm already a developer because of I've done the process before. So developers options. So what we're basically going to do is reduce the animation of your smartphone. Normally, if I want to transition now, see, it's a little bit not that fast, it's a little bit slow. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to reduce animation. So like this is our Windows scale animation. You search for Windows scale animation in your developers option. That's Windows scale animation. Where is it? Now it's on 1. I recommend taking it to 0.5. That is 0.5, that is zero point 0.5. You see that it feels a little bit faster. Your phone feels a little bit faster. But if you want to go crazy, like you don't want animations at all on your smartphone, you just put it to 0, like off it completely, and you see, makes the phone more faster. And also another thing you can do is reduce background processing. Background processes make your phone eat up, and also your battery life drain faster, and also slow down your phone. Sometimes some apps will just be running and you're not actually using them. So what you do is background you search for background process limit. Is under this app side, then you set it to 3 processes at most, because you can't be running more than 3 apps at once. Because or if you know you run plenty apps, you can actually leave it on standard limit, because already the animation that I turned off is already making the phone feel a little more faster. This is the difference between when it was on 1x. See, when it was on 1x it was slower, but now I turned off the animation completely, it's faster. So thank you guys. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'm trying to, don't be offended if the video quality is not that good, because I just started the channel and no cash like that to buy equipment. I hope this tutorial will help you guys, and like and subscribe, and also leave comments and comment on things you like to see next time, or my kind of videos you want me to make next time. Okay.